Hello everybody, it's Rokebear here. In this quick tutorial, I want to teach you guys how to use this good old plugin, the lighting shading plugin from Team MaikLP Studios. This is a really popular plugin with 92% upvotes with over 2,000 votes, so it's a very popular, 2,000 favorites. If you want to get this plugin, the first thing you have to do is go to your plugin tab in the toolbox. You literally see it's the second one. It's one of the most popular plugins on Roblox, period. So once you click this, you hit install. Once you install that bad boy, it'll come up into your plugin tab in your studio. You click this tab right here to open it. There's a very limited number of options for this plugin actually. You have a couple presets you can do, and you can save your lighting once you find one that you like and want to resort to. So just running through some of these settings, we have Brookhaven lighting. It kind of just makes the game look a little bit more, I don't want to say less shadows. It makes the game look less cinematic, more simple. I'd say it's very dry lighting. Cartoon lighting, it changes the background here. If you look in your lightings tab, this is what it's changing. You see your lighting here in the workspace. It is changing the time of day, the colors of everything. So Brookhaven, like I said, is very dry. There's no effects. Cartoon, it's changing the skybox, which is this part here. If you delete this, you see it changes what the sky looks like. Also changes some lighting settings as well. Dark Night changes quite a bit. As you can see, this one is probably my favorite of the presets. It makes the game nighttime. It adds some depth of field effects. The bloom, that changes the skybox. You see there, if I delete things one by one, you can see this is just default settings. That's with the effects on it too. It changes some coloring. There's default lighting, which is like standard Roblox lighting, which you see if I hit restore lighting, it goes back to default Roblox lighting anyways. What's next? The donate game lighting. It's just, there's like no shadows at all. Well, there is, but the sun is set pretty high in the sky, so you can't see them that much. Very dry also. It's kind of similar to Brookhaven. Brookhaven's there's like nothing going on. Donate game's a little bit more cheery, brightful with the skybox. Pink lighting is kind of pink, you could say. It's very bright, and then we have the shader lighting, which not much to say about this one either. One more thing I'll talk about this plugin. You see here, if I go into maybe default lighting, and just say I go into lighting and change the time of day to let's change it to 0. Make it nighttime, right? If we hit save lighting here, it is going to save that as the default lighting. So if I change to any of these, such as if I change it to cartoon lighting, if I hit restore lighting, it takes me back to what I had saved. So if I go to pink lighting and I hit restore, it's still what I had it set to before, what I saved it to. So if I go back to default lighting, if I save that and then go to cartoon, we'll go back to our default lighting then. So you can play around and go to pink, say oh, the pink's great and all, except, I don't like the sun rays, and I don't like the bloom, and I don't like the sky. Well, that kind of removes the pink effect. Okay, let's say if I don't like all this stuff, whatever, and I save this. This is now my default lighting, and if I go to Dark Night and restore it, it'll go to the pink lighting without all the extra effects. So I hope that helps you guys. If this video helped you, give it a like and a subscribe for more tutorials. And thank you. I'll see you in the next one.